Hi, I'm Henry with Model Ball USA. I'd like to introduce to you our new Tornado sport jet. It's a twin-boom 63-inch wingspan airplane that we have powered with the JetCat P60 SE. Some of the new accessories that we have for the airplane that we've produced, if you guys want to come a little closer here, I'll show you. We have a servo package. The package includes 10 servos, all the extensions cut to length, all Y harnesses, and a 6.6 2,200 milliamp life battery. We have 4 mini servos in the tail, 1 for each rudder and 2 for the elevators for redundancy. All servos are coreless motors, dual ball bearing metal gear servos. We have 4 standard servos, 2 on each wing, 1 for the ailerons and 1 for the flaps on each wing. Those are also dual ball bearing coreless motors and metal gear. Those are standard size servos, and the ones that come in the package are just over 190 ounces of torque. They're very powerful, and at 6 volts you can get way over 240 ounces of torque. If you look inside, right now we have a composite fuel tank that comes with the kit, holds 80 ounces of fuel. All you're going to need to finish a kit off is going to be a UAT and your brake valve of choice, whether it's mechanical or electronic. Spring air retracts are installed on the airplane, and all you're going to need to do is add your struts, wheels, and brakes. As per customer demand, we've manufactured and designed a new trailing strut, as everybody has been reading on the posts. And if you look down at the landing gear, it's a new trailing strut system that we've designed for the airplane. As you see, it springs up quite a bit. Empty, they will stand up just partially erect. With weight on it, with the fuel, they will sit down at about a 35 to 40 degree angle. And this is weighted down for the P60 and a P70 engine, which is any engine producing between 12 to 18 pounds of thrust. Well, enough of the talking. This time I'm going to put back the canopy and we're going to start the engines. Sí. Então.